This conference will now be recorded.
So have you listened that recording, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. So in SAP world, three kind of projects. What is the project names?
Implementations, rollout, and support projects. Sir.
SAP is an ERP product. What is the ERP stands for?
Enterprise resource planning, sir.
SAP SPRO stands for SPRO.
SPRO means like SAP real-time object
SAP project real time or runtime objects.
or runtime object. Okay.
Or real time or runtime. S means SAP, P means project. SAP is an ERP product. SAP stands for System Application Product and Data Processing. SPRO stands for SAP Project Runtime or Real Time Objects. ERP stands for,
Enterprise resource planning.
in SAP normally three kind of people working. What is the people names?
The functional people, technical, and basis.
Who is the functional people names?
Functional is like who is working like SAP SD module or SAP like MM, SAP PM, SAP HR. Everybody is like called as like SAP functional module people.
FICO, HR, all functional.
FSC. Yep.
These are all called functional consultants. These are all called solution architect. These are all called business analysts. Okay?
Yep, sir. You're correct.
All of same name. Who is the technical names?
Technical, who is handling the technical things or the programming, who's like handling the ABAP and all, is the person is like who is handling the technical.
And third one, basis. Who will take care of the system related access, system related activities that is called basis consultant.
Yeah, correct, sir.
Three kind of people fine. Three kind of projects fine. In SAP, you start the implementation project maybe March. Suppose you are going to the new project. Your project is implementation project. You are
Yep.
going to the project place. What is the project name? Client.
Client, yeah.
Client side, so many people working. What is the people names?
End user, sir.
Fine. So you are going to the implementation, start the project. You are reporting to the project manager. So project manager divided and declare the methodology system. What is the methodology?
It is a part of like a project preparation method, like right?
ASAP methodology. Methodology name ASAP methodology. ASAP means acceleratory SAP methodology. What is the acceleratory?
Okay.
Acceleratory methodology, ASAP methodology. So we have ASAP standard fixed any project ASAP methodology. What is the methodology name? ASAP. How many methods?
There's two methods, as is analysis and to be analysis.
ASAP methodology, five methods.
Oh, the project preparation and the business blueprint. That's thing you're talking about.
Realization. Third one. What is the
Third
third
one,
one?
third is the configuration. Fourth one is final project preparation.
Third stage configuration or another name realization.
Realization. Yep.
Fourth one final preparation.
Configuration. And sixth one
Fifth
is
one go live support. Tell me what
support.
is the method names? Five methods.
Project preparation, business blueprint. Third one is the configuration or realization. Fourth one is final project preparation, and fifth is go live support.
Project preparation. How many methods?
The two methods for the project preparation.
What is the method names?
One is as is analysis, and second is to be analysis.
What is the axis analysis means?
Uh, as is analysis means like when we conduct the first meeting,
Hmm.
first 3 hour at the time we just got the idea about like what's actually the going on over there.
Hmm.
So that is like as usual like routine like analysis for the business.
What is the current business process? Current system business process.
Current situation
That's
is.
what axis analysis. So maybe it will take 1 week time. What they explain the points, note down the notebook. After that, you prepare minutes submitting daily going the meetings. Maybe it will take 1 week completed. Next week start. What is the second method?
To be an analysis.
What is the to be analysis means?
In to be analysis, we ask some questions to them, like how many servers they need, how many sales team they need, how many
Yes, yes, yes. What
everything.
they the current business process, how to convert to the SAP system, that is called to be analysis.
Okay.
That is as is to be over. Second, business blueprint. Based on the to be analysis, you need to prepare detailed document that is called business blueprint.
Look. Yep.
Correct?
Yep. Correct, sir.
How much time totally? Maybe your project is 1 year means 3 months,
3
3 months.
months for this.
Your
Yeah.
project is 10 months means 2.5 months time, 2.5 months time. Okay?
Yep, sir.
Based on the project duration of the project. Normally you have 10 to 12 people. What is the team size? Anybody ask? 10 to 12 people.
Okay.
FSU, MM, SD, VP, PM, HR, two evaluators, two basis, one project leader, project manager. Okay.
Okay. I get you, sir.
So project preparation over, business blueprint over, third stage. What is your system landscape? Third stage.
Since system landscape means how many servers they have, how many like the end user computers they have.
No, no. How many servers you have?
This is the only one thing is like considered as a landscape, sir.
What is the system landscape means? How many servers you have? Three servers. What is the servers names?
The production server, quality server, and development server, qu-
Hmm.
quality server, and production server.
And you tell sequence like that, development, quality, production.
Yeah, sequence like. And it
Maybe
have
5% cases you have four servers. What is the fourth server name?
sandbox server, sir,
Sandbox or golden client.
or golden client.
First sandbox or golden client, then development, then quality, then production. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Fine, perfect. What is your system landscape? Means SAP technology, how many servers you have? What is the fourth stage?
Uh, Post is like final project preparation.
What is the final project preparation? What you will do? You will do
We
the
are yeah we
test.
are yeah we are just making the like the sending the all the doc we are sending all the documents to the client and CC to the project manager to like what we discussed in the meeting and something.
No, 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 no. Final preparation, what you will do? You need to do the testing. Final preparation. Testing, how many kind of testing? Two. System integration testing, user acceptance testing.
Okay.
Final preparation names testing preparation.
Okay.
Testing, how many methods?
There's two methods of the testing.
What are the names?
System integration testing and client acceptance testing.
User acceptance testing.
User acceptance testing. Okay. This.
System integration means SAP SD integrate to FICO, MM, PPF, all the module stuff. How to integrate, I will tell you. And user acceptance testing means how to create inquiry, how to create quotation, how to create sales order, how to create inquiry, quotation, sales order, like that. So once you do the testing, what is the final stage? Final preparation.
Final preparation.
What is the fourth stage? Final preparation. Fifth stage, go live and support.
Support.
What will do the fifth stage? Fifth stage, you have some final balances. What is the balance? What is the sales orders? What is the sales related activities? We need to transfer to the current system to the SAP system. How to transfer? SAP user, client will prepare the Excel sheet. That Excel sheet forward to the evaper. Evaper will upload the BDC program. What is this?
Final project preparations point, right, sir?
Final preparation, two kind of testings. System integration, user acceptance testing. Correct?
Okay.
Fifth one, what is the fifth one? Go live and support. Go live and support.
Okay.
Go live and support, what you will do the activities? All final balance upload the system. All final balance upload in the production server. New point. Today new point I'm explaining. We
Okay.
have five stages, correct?
Yep, correct.
What is the 5 methods? Tell me once again.
Project preparations. Second is
Okay,
business.
one second. Project preparation, how it will do, you know, correct?
Yep.
Second stage, business blueprint, correct?
Blueprint. Yep, correct.
How to prepare business blueprint, you know, correct?
Yep.
Third stage,
Configuration.
how to do the configuration, I will explain one by one daily. So fourth stage,
Fourth is the final project preparation.
final preparation means testing preparation, correct?
Yep.
Testing, how many methods?
Two methods.
What is the name?
System integration method and user acceptance method.
Fine. Once done, you have configuration in the server development to transfer to all the configuration the quality. Quality server you need to do testing. Then testing is completed. All the final balance uploaded. Who will upload the final balances? Technical consultant, ABAP.
Okay.
Who will upload the balances?
The ABAP consultant.
What is the balance uploaded? User client will prepare Excel sheet. Excel sheet. Okay.
Okay.
What we have the balance in SD side, all the sales order kind of things, so many things. What kind of balances? Excel sheet he will prepare user. User providing to you as a SAP SD consultant that the Excel sheet forward to again to ABAP. ABAP will upload the balances in the which server? Production server. Which
Okay.
server?
They are uploading in the server of the production server.
We have development user ID password. We have quality user ID password. We have production server user ID password. Who will give the three user ID passwords? Basis consultant.
Okay.
Project place. In this place, we have only one user ID password. Why? This is not a licensed software. This is the IDS software. When you go to the project place only, you have licensed software. Any online training, any classroom training, there is no licensed software. Clear?
Hmm. I get you, sir.
Project place only, you have three servers. What is the servers names?
One is development servers, quality server, and production server.
You have development user ID password right now, correct?
Right. Right.
Project place you have three user ID password. Development user ID password separate. Quality user ID password separate. Production server user ID password separate. Okay.
Okay.
Who will give the three user ID passwords?
Client maybe, right?
Basis consultant.
Business consultant.
All your user ID passwords and client place users also user ID password everything. Who will responsibility? Basis consultant.
Business consultant.
How many consultants in the project? Functional,
Functional,
technical.
technical, and business.
Now clear basic things.
Yeah.
Now we can start the project. I will
Just
create one section.
just little bit I need to read about the last 2 points. That's it.
Hmm. So final preparation, correct?
Yeah, final preparation.
Final preparation, how many methods? Final preparation, another name is there. What is the name? Test,
Work
testing.
testing, system
Final
integration,
preparation, another name, testing preparation.
testing preparation,
No, you have fourth method. What is the fourth method name?
final preparation.
Final preparation means testing preparation.
Okay,
What is the testing preparation methods? How many methods?
there are two methods: system integration testing and user acceptance testing.
What is the system integration testing? Your SAP SD consultant, correct?
Yep.
SD module integrate to MM, FICO, PP, PM, QM, other modules. Clear?
Okay.
We need to integrate. How to integrate? I will show to the system. Second one, user acceptance testing. What
Okay.
is it?
User acceptance testing.
What is the user acceptance testing? In SAP SD, all the configuration completed. What you are doing? How to create inquiry? How to create quotation? How to create sales order? These are all things user acceptance testing. Clear?
Okay.
How
Clear.
to create all the things I will show to you. Don't worry. What is the
Okay.
fourth method name in the ASAP methodology? Fourth
Fourth,
method.
final
Project
final
preparation.
final project preparation.
Final project preparation, another name, testing preparation.
Testing preparation. Yep.
What is the fifth name? Fifth
Go
method.
live. Go live support, sir.
What is the goal live support you will do? What are the final balances in the project SD side? Okay.
Okay.
User will prepare one Excel sheet.
Okay.
That Excel sheet forward to who will user will forward to a paper. Who is the paper?
Who is done the programming and everything?
Technical consultant, what will do? That Excel sheet will upload the system. What is there? Upload the system. What is the method they used upload? BDC programming.
BDC programming.
Once upload the system, all final balances will display in the which server? Production server. Which
Okay.
server?
So the ADAP consultant upload the documents or the Excel sheet in a production server.
Not
Okay.
in document that one. Balances. You have balances. You have stock balances, sales order balances, stock, inventory. said some balances. FI
Oh,
said.
okay.
SD said some.
Actually, I'm confused. It's a little bit like what balance is. Like balance is like all the data which is provided by the
Ah,
clients, right?
yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Now clear?
Now clear, sir.
So your project is go live. After that, we need to do start the support or maintenance project. Your implementation means 1 year. Maybe you have rollout means maybe 6 months. Why we are less time 6 months? You are already implementing the head office, correct?
Okay.
Every data you are in the system, you know how to do the implementation. You have all the data, all the kind of stuff. So no need to much time will take for rollout project. Rollout means what is the meaning of the rollout? Branch
Around
office.
branch offices, yeah, branch offices like
Uh, Same kind of rollout implementation on same methods. Project preparation, business blueprint, realization, finalization, go live support. Same kind of methods. Okay.
yes, sir.
So project implementation rollout. So now we can start the project in SAP. I will create one Excel sheet here. SAP SD implementation transport request number sheet. What is the project name? Tell me one project name. Tell me. I will that project name. I will implement it. Any project name.
Mm, like what should be it like? Like project
Project
name
name.
is
LG, Samsung, British Petroleum, Apple. All our clients. That client name.